Hey everyone, Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video, I want to explain to you how the customer support process works when you come on board with the Tizish marketing system or with the Tizish WordPress blog system. And basically, support works all through email. We are an internet-based company, so we're going to do what all efficient internet-based companies do, and that's email support, because that allows us to help you the fastest. But before jumping around and not understanding how that works and why it's actually best, let me break down to you the 3 ways of support. Now, even before going there though, we do have phone support, but as you're going to hear when I explain it, the way you get phone support varies on the degree of what the support is all about. And you can always call in, but it's going to be a voicemail system, and the way we reply to you is going to always be through email, unless it's an emergency or unless it's something that you definitely need to hear someone explain something over. But let me explain the 3 levels of support and you'll see exactly how this works. So here's how 3 levels of support work for Tizish. Number 1 is technical support. Alright, and these are things like your website broke, meaning let's say you were on your website here, right? And let's say for some reason you put a blog post here and the images aren't showing up, or it has some kind of weird coding and there's an error. Let's just say there's an error with your page and it's giving you some weird code telling you that there's an error. That's a technical support issue. For those items, you call us in and we'll immediately work on those 24-hour turnarounds to fix those. Any broken technical support issues we fix right away. And also, if it's a major issue, this is one of those situations where we will get on the phone and work with you if it's something that's hindering someone from getting onto your website. Alright? So now let's go into the second level of support, and that's what we call website support. And this is things like, let's say you're on your website and you're like, I want to know how do I post an image that appears here. Let's just say that was your question. This is basic website support, basic how-to support. For this support, you're never going to get a phone call. You're never going to be able to call Tizish and have someone on the line sit with you and tell you, okay, click this button, do that, because here's how our support works. It all works through video tutorials. Every single question that you have for us, we already have a video for, most likely. And here's the thing, if we don't have a video for a question you ask us that's about website support, like how do I do this with my site, then we'll end up making the video and adding it to our video tutorial library. So just to give you a real big picture of how it works, let's pretend you go on your site and you want to know how do you do this. What you got to do is email us or go to facebook.com/Tizish, as you see here, and ask us there, and we'll immediately get you the support that you need for the website how-tos, or how to help you do whatever you're trying to do. And every day, Monday through Friday, we are on the Facebook page for immediate support as well as email support. That's why we say it works better than phone. If you call in, you're going to get a voicemail, and also, let's pretend you actually do get someone that picks up. Well, it's going to take much longer to sit on the phone with someone and say, click this, click that, when in reality, since we can't see each other's screens, that's not realistic, that's not efficient. So all of our support occurs through Facebook and through email, and you have to tell us what you need help with, and we're going to give you the video that shows you how to do it, or we'll make a new one that shows you how to do something. Just to give you a couple examples, if you look at the Tizish page, you'll see many people already do that, and it works extremely great. So, and you can see that all here. So that's how the support works. Now that's for what we call website support. Now the third, and this is what I consider the most important support, which is called marketing support, or you could call it training support. And what this is those kind of questions like, hey Josh, I'm going to be doing this kind of marketing campaign. Can you help me out and tell me if I did this right? Or I set up a page for SEO. Did I use my keywords properly? Or I did a blog article. What could I do to help get more traffic? Or I did a video. I mean, the sky's the limit. Now that's what I call marketing support, and this is where the training program comes in handy. With the Tizish training program, basically three Fridays out of the month, we do a live consulting webinar or live consulting phone conference. There's 2 ways to get marketing support. The first way is go to facebook.com/Tizish and simply ask there. Ask for marketing support. What I will do, what someone in Tizish system will do, is answer your questions with marketing support, telling you you did this right, you did this wrong, or whatever the case is. Here's one simple example. If you look at Tizish, we recently had a question as of the day of this recording from Lynn. Lynn was asking basically if the Google listing maps was done right and if it was put in Google. This is a marketing support question. I ended up doing a follow-up video showing how to correct that Google listing. So that's the kind of marketing support that you'll get. Nowhere do you get one-on-one consulting marketing support through Facebook in that way, where we give you step-by-step direction, not only through our training program where we teach you step-by-step what to do, but most importantly through actual accountability and helping you through the process. Alright, so that's how technical support or marketing support works. And really the other most important one, let's say you have a big question. Let's say if you have a huge question like, I need you to review my site and give me a big review. Well, that's what those Friday consulting webinars or phone conferences are for. What you would need to do in that instance is email us, email me, or post on Facebook your exact question and your exact in-depth consulting issue that you need help with, and then I would address those on any Friday consulting call one-on-one with you, but having everyone else on the call as well, because whatever helps you is going to help everyone else, because likely many people have the same question. So basically, in a nutshell, the way you get support is you get direct support to marketing consulting, meaning people pay me for consulting, people pay Tizish for consulting, but we no longer do one-on-one consulting simply because it's not you can't help as many people like that. So basically, with the marketing support, you get one-on-one support, but it occurs through Facebook page, through email, and then through the Friday consulting webinars or consulting phone calls. Alright? So pretty much that's how all of Tizish support works. If you have any questions, let us know. I highly recommend that you check out the rest of the videos where we talk about how we build your website systems, the features we put into them, how we integrate your IDX, and basically how our pricing structure works. Check out all of that items and see if you want to get started with us, and basically set a consulting appointment with us on this very same page. And then what we'll do on the consulting call is go over all your marketing questions and see if you're a fit for our system. Alright, so pretty much that's everything. Good luck and take care.